Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Nobody is here. Okay. Good afternoon, student. Sound is not coming. It is not coming. Sound is not coming.
अगर कोई अभी आया ही नहीं है, बच्चे नहीं आए, आएंगे तो आंसर तो कर। आप भी वही काम करना सुबह वाला।
नहीं, सुबह तो आए ही नहीं थे टाइम पे।
नहीं ये
आ गए। ठीक, ओके। ये नहीं चल रही है।
चल रही
चल रही।
हाँ, लगाई।
हाँ। हेलो हेलो स्टूडेंट।
Good afternoon, sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून। गुड
Good
आफ्टरनून।
afternoon, sir.
sir.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीबडी। ओके। Today I would like to ask you some questions related to the topic that I have already taught you. Okay. So first question is here. What was the name of the beer? What was the name of the beer? Bruno. Bruno. And what did he drink one day? What did he drink one day? What did he drink one day?
Barium carbonate.
Barium carbonate, yes. And it was very poisonous and dangerous for it. Okay. And next question. Who changed his name from Bruno? Who changed his name from Bruno?
Narrator's wife.
Narrator's wife. Narrator's wife, yes. Okay. Next question is here. At the command, what did he like to do? At the command, what did he like to do?
Wrestle and boxing.
Boxing, yes. And next question is here. What and where did he hide the thing, conceal the thing? What and where did he conceal? Its answer is a stump of wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bed.
Sir, straw bed.
It's
In his straw bed.
concealed in his straw bed. Yes. And why was Bruno chained most of the time?
Sir,
Why was?
because of the teenage children, poor Bruno or Baba had to be kept
Yes,
safe
yes,
most
yes.
of the time.
Yes, most of the time due to this. Means Siddhi Tripathi. Siddhi Tripathi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. Okay. So now next.
दिया था श्रेया जायसवाल.
Oh, Shreya, I did not listen. Okay, thank you very much for your answer. And next number, para number 3rd. Then my son and I advised my wife. Okay. And what was the decision taken by? What was the decision taken by the narrator?
So to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore.
Yes. Then my son and I advised my wife and a friend advised her to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. Okay? मतलब कि ये सलाह दी गई कि उसको मैसूर जेल जू में भेज दिया जाए. He was getting too big to keep at home because it was not possible to keep it at home. Okay? बहुत बड़ा हो गया था. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented. ठीक है? मतलब कि अंत में उसने अपनी स्वीकृति दे दी. किसने? Who had given her consent?
Sir, narrator's wife.
Narrator's wife, hastily, yes. And before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the zoo. What was written to the curator of the zoo?
Sir, a letter was written.
A letter was written to whom?
Sir,
The-
to the curator of zoo.
The curator of the zoo. Do you know who is curator? Means what do you mean by curator? Manager. Manager of the zoo
Manager of
means
the
who looks after the whole activity of the zoo. Okay. Now next, did he want a tame deer for his collection? What was the question? What was the question and who asked this question? To whom?
Sir, did he want a zoo? Sir, sorry, sir. Did
Tame
he want
deer.
a tame deer for his collection?
Collection. Who asked it? It was asked by the narrator. Okay. Means through his letter. He replied, yes. The Jew sent a case from Mysore. And what was sent from Mysore? What was sent from Mysore? And how?
A cage.
A cage, yes. The Jew sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry, a distance of 87 miles, and Baba was packed off. ओके, समझ में आ गया सबको? चलिए, अब इसके बाद पैरा नंबर 14. We all missed him greatly. Okay, what was the atmosphere of the house? What was the atmosphere of the house after the deer? We all missed him greatly, but in a sense we were relieved. ठीक है, समझ में आया कि मतलब कि हम परेशान सब थे, लेकिन हमको थोड़ा आराम भी था. My wife was inconsolable. She wept and fretted. ठीक है, वाइफ परेशान थी, अधीर थी, एंड सी वेप्ट एंड फ्रेटेड, थोड़ा वो चिड़चिड़ी हो गई थी. समझ में आ रहा है ना? ये बताइएगा जहां पे ना आए. फॉर द फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज शी वुड नॉट ईट अ थिंग. व्हाट वाज द कंडीशन ऑफ द वाइफ? व्हाट वाज हर कंडीशन? द फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज शी वुड नॉट ईट अ थिंग. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. Then after that, what did she do? After that, what did she do?
He wrote a number of
Sir,
letters.
she wrote a number of letters
She
to
wrote a number of letters to the curator. How was Baba? Back came the replies. Answer was well. Okay. But fretting, he refuses food too. Okay. लेकिन चिड़चिड़ा है, थोड़ा अच्छा है लेकिन चिड़चिड़ा है और खाना नहीं खाता है. ओके, समझ में आया? After this paragraph, next paragraph number 15. After that, friends visiting Mysore were begged to make a point of going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was. After that, इसके पश्चात क्या हुआ? What happened after that? Friends visiting Mysore were begged to make a point of, मतलब जो फ्रेंड्स वहां जा रहे थे, मैसूर जाने वाले मित्रों से अनुरोध किया गया कि वे चिड़ियाघर जाएं और देखें कि बाबा कैसा है. ठीक है, मेक अ पॉइंट ऑफ गोइंग टू द जू एंड सीइंग हाउ बाबा वाज गेटिंग अलोंग, कि बाबा वहां कैसा है. ठीक है, दे रिपोर्टेड दैट ही वाज वेल. व्हाट वाज देयर रिपोर्ट? What was their report? Shreya Jaiswal?
Sir, they reported that he was well but looked very thin and sad.
Very thin and sad. Yes, this is correct answer. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. है ना? तो जितने भी कीपर थे जू के रखवाले, उन्होंने सब ने कहा कि ये बहुत चिड़चिड़ा हो रहा है, हो गया है. For 3 months I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. The narrator is saying here that he restrained his wife from visiting Mysore. Restrain means to stop, रोकना. Then she said one day. लेकिन what did she say one day? What did she say one day?
I must see Baba.
Yes, I must see Baba. Either you take me by car or I will go myself by bus or train. So I took her by car. Okay, who is I here? आई नरेटर,
narrator.
हाँ नरेटर इज देयर, ओके। ये पैराग्राफ समझ में आ गया। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क मी, एनी क्वेश्चन इज देयर, ओके। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क मी, नो, ओके। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। पैरा नंबर 16, फ्रेंड्स हैड कंजेक्चर्ड, दैट कंजेक्चर मीन्स गेस, अनुमान लगाना। फ्रेंड्स had conjectured that the deer would not recognize her, means they were saying that if the wife, narrator's wife is going there, but the bear, that is Bruno, would not recognize her, वो नहीं पहचान पाएगा। I had thought so too, मैंने भी ऐसा सोचा था। But while she was yet some yards from his cage, Baba saw her and recognized her. Yes, what was a tremendous change. Baba recognized her. He hauled. Hauled means होता है चीखा, चीखना। hauled means चीखना। He hauled with happiness, मतलब खुशी के मारे वो चिल्लाने लगा, चीखने लगा। She ran up to him, वह भी वहां पर गई। Petted him, थपथपाया। Through the bars, bars के अंदर, जो मतलब सलाखों के बाहर से, ठीक है। एंड ही स्टूड ऑन हिज हेड इन डिलाइट। यस, what was the reaction of the bear, and how did he show his happiness? How did he show his happiness? Yes, he showed his happiness by standing on his head, okay, on his head in delight. He was very happy, and for showing his happiness he stood up on his head in delight, okay। हमारे खुशी के वो अपने सिर के बल खड़ा हो गया, ठीक। नेक्स्ट 17 नंबर, for the next 3 hours she would not leave that cage. For the next, how long she stayed there, or did she stay there? How long did she stay there?
For 3 hours.
Yes, she would not leave that cage up to 3 hours. Okay. She gave him tea, lemonade, cake, ice cream, and what not. What did she give him to eat? What did she give him to eat and drink?
She gave him tea, lemonade, cake, ice cream.
Yes, very good answer. Thank you very much. Means you are listening carefully about the story. So your answer is correct. And then closing time came. Okay, मतलब जू का बंद होने का टाइम आ गया। एंड वी हैड टू लीव एट एनी कॉस्ट, वी हैड टू लीव, और हमें वहां से जाना था। माई वाइफ क्राइड बिटरली, बाबा क्राइड बिटरली, मतलब जोर जोर से चिल्लाए, दोनों लोगों ने चिल्लाया, ठीक है ना, वाइफ एज वेल एज बाबा। इवन द हार्डेंड क्यूरेटर, इवन द, उनको ऐड कर दीजिए, बच्चों का फोन आ रहा है, सबको ऐड करिए। हाँ, एडमिट ऑल, ये करते रहा करिए। अच्छा ठीक ठीक, हाँ ठीक, इसको रहने दीजिए यहीं पर, एडमिट ऑल। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट प्लीज पे अटेंशन। बिटरली एंड इवन द हार्डेंड, जो प्रबंधक वहां का रक्षक, वो भी दुखी हो गया, जो बहुत कठोर प्रबंधक था, ठीक है ना। ओके, एंड द कीपर फेल्ट डिप्रेस्ड, ठीक है, जो वहां का कीपर था वो भी डिप्रेस हो गया। आगे नेक्स्ट है, एज फॉर मी, मेरे लिए, आई हैड रिकंसिल्ड माई सेल्फ, रिकंसिल्ड माने मान लिया, माई सेल्फ टू वॉट आई न्यू वॉज गोइंग टू हैपन नेक्स्ट, और मुझे पता था कि अब आगे क्या होने वाला था, उसके लिए मैंने अपने आप को तैयार कर लिया, मान लिया था, ठीक है ना। ओके, तो हाँ, एडमिट ऑल। नेक्स्ट, ओ प्लीज सर, पैरा नंबर 18, ओ प्लीज सर, सी आस्क्ड द क्यूरेटर, ओ कृपया श्रीमान जी, उसने प्रबंधकर्ता से पूछा, क्यूरेटर जो वहां का मालिक होता है, उससे कहा, आस्क्ड द क्यूरेटर, मे आई हैव माई बाबा बैक, उसने क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड शी रिक्वेस्ट टू द क्यूरेटर, What did she request to the curator? Akansha Shukla? No. No answer.
Sir, may
Yes.
I have my Baba
May
back?
I have my Baba back? Yes. It was her request. Hesitantly he answered, madam, मतलब संकोच से उसने कहा, मैडम, he belongs to the zoo and is government property now, and he belongs to the zoo, मतलब वो जू का है और वो it is known as government property now. I cannot give away government property. ठीक है ना? What was his answer? What was the curator's answer? His answer was that he said he cannot give the government property now, okay, because he belongs to the zoo and is government property. So how can I give it to you? I cannot give away government property. But if my boss, the superintendent Bangalore agrees, ठीक है ना, अगर मेरा जो बैंगलोर अधीक्षक सहमत हो जाते हैं, agrees, certainly you may have him back. Certainly you may have him back. आप ले जा सकते हैं. But first of all, we will have to take permission from my boss. That is the superintendent, and he lives in Bangalore. Okay. Who is known as the boss of the zoo? Who is known as the boss of the zoo? Yes, anyone? Siddhi?
The superintendent.
Superintendent. Yes. And where does he live?
So Bangalore.
He lives in Bangalore. Yes, very good. They followed the return journey to Bangalore and a visit to the superintendent Bangalore. Means while they are going back to their home, that is, they are followed the return journey to Bangalore and a visit to the superintendent Bangalore, a tearful pleading. Tearful pleading माने आंसू बहाते हुए. Pleading means prayer. Baba and I are both fretting for each other. और वो ऐसा कह रही हैं कि fretting means वही क्या बताया था अभी, चिड़चिड़ा होना, वरी होना, चिंतित होना. Baba and I are both fretting for each other. Will you please give him back to me? क्या आप मुझे उसे दे सकते हैं? तो what was his answer? He was a kind-hearted man. Do you know what kind of man he was? What kind of man he was? He was a kind-hearted man and consented. Consented means agree. स्वीकृति दे दी उसने. ठीक है ना? Not only that, but he wrote to the curator telling him to lend us a cage for transporting the beer to Bangalore. Okay, not only ordered, but he also wrote to the curator telling him to lend us a cage for transporting. मतलब हमारे लिए पिंजरे की भी व्यवस्था कर दी कि वो वहां पर जाकर व्यवस्था करा दे. ठीक है ना? Now 20 number. 20 number is here. Back we went to Mysore again, armed with the superintendent letter. ठीक है, मतलब कि जब हम पुनः अधीक्षक का पत्र लेकर बैंगलोर गए, क्या हुआ? Baba was driven into a small cage and hoisted on top of the car. ठीक है, मतलब कार के ऊपर चढ़ाया गया, पिंजरे को सुरक्षित बांधा गया और बैंगलोर को धीमी तथा सावधानी पूर्वक यात्रा पूर्ण हुई. ठीक है, securely and slow and careful journey, return journey to Bangalore was accomplished. Accomplished means completed, पूरी हो गई. ठीक है ना? In this way, Baba came back. Next 21, 23 paragraphs are here, so 3 paragraphs are remaining. So I want to finish it right now. Once home, a squad of police. Squad means group. Group of police were engaged for special work in our compound. ठीक है ना? एक बार मजदूरों का एक दल हमारे यहाँ आ गया. In our कंपाउंड, हमारे कंपाउंड में आ गया। एंड आइलैंड वॉज मेड फॉर बाबा, ठीक है ना, एक आइलैंड बनाया गया, द्वीप बनाया गया। इट वॉज 20 feet लॉन्ग एंड 15 feet वाइड। व्हाट वाज इट्स लेंथ? व्हाट वाज इट्स लेंथ?
20 feet long and 20
Yes,
feet wide.
it was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide and was surrounded by a dry pit, and was surrounded by a dry pit or moat. Moat, you know, trench means खाई, हाँ, एक खड्ड बना दिया गया वहां पर। and 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep, ठीक है, 6 फुट चौड़ा तथा 7 फुट गहरे गड्ढे या खंडक से घिरा था, चारों तरफ से मतलब बना दिया गया था। वुडन बॉक्स दैट once housed roll was brought and put on the island for Baba to sleep in at night. बाबा को रात में सोने के लिए द्वीप पर रख दिया गया, ठीक है ना, उसे गर्म रखने के लिए। अब वुडन बॉक्स दैट once housed fowls, you know, bird, जो बर्ड वाला पिंजड़ा होता है, island for Baba to sleep in at night. Easter was placed inside to keep him warm and his baby, the Nald, you know, मुड़ा हुआ, stump means डंडा, along with his gun, the piece of bamboo, मतलब उसको एक गर्म रखने के लिए अंदर घास फूस बिछा दिया गया और उसका बच्चा, मुड़ा हुआ डंडा जो था उसका बच्चा था वो, उसकी बंदूक, बांस का टुकड़ा, जिन दोनों को भावनात्मक रूप से संरक्षित किया गया था, ठीक है, तब से जब से उसे चिड़ियाघर भेजा गया था, उन्हें उसके खेलने के लिए वापस रख दिया गया, ठीक है। एंड हैड बीन सेंट अवे टू द ज़ू वर पुट बैक फॉर हिम टू प्ले विद, उसको खेलने के लिए फिर से वो पुनः ही स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग विद द सेम थिंग। नाउ 22, in a few days the coolies hoisted the cage onto the island and Baba was released. कुछ दिनों में पिंजड़ों को द्वीप पर चढ़ा दिया गया और बाबा को मुक्त कर दिया गया, ठीक है। बाबा was released, वह खुश हो गया, he was delighted, standing on his hind legs, ठीक है, पिछली टांगों पर खड़ा होकर, और वो बहुत खुश हो गया। He pointed his gun, वह अपनी बंदूक तानी और अपने बच्चे को सुलाया, ठीक है ना। एंड cradled his baby, baby was wood, stump of wood, ठीक है ना। My wife spent hours sitting on a chair there while he sat on her lap, ठीक है, जब वो कुर्सी पर बैठकर घंटों बिताती थी जबकि वो उसकी गोद में बैठता था, ठीक है। एंड he was 15 months old and pretty heavy too, और वो 15 महीने का हो गया था और भारी भी काफी था, ठीक है, ये उसकी पहचान थी। नाउ लास्ट पैराग्राफ, द वे माई वाइफ रीचेज द आइलैंड एंड लीव्स इट इज इंटरेस्टिंग, मेरी पत्नी जिस प्रकार द्वीप पर जाती है और उसे छोड़ती है, यह बड़ा रोचक है। दैट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। आई हैव टाइड अ रोप टू द ओवरहैंगिंग ब्रांच ऑफ मैंगो ट्री, मैंने आम के एक पेड़ की बाहर को फैली एक शाखा के सिरे से एक गांठ से एक रस्सी बांध दी है, ठीक है, रस्सी बांध दी है। विद लूप मीन्स गांठ एट द एंड, पुटिंग वन फुट इन द लूप, फंदे में एक पैर रखकर वह दूसरे पैर से धक्का देती है, ठीक है ना। शी किक्स ऑफ विद द अदर, एक में पैर रखा दूसरे से किक किया। टू ब्रिज द 6 फुट गैप, और 6 फुट के अंतर को जो कि चारों ओर के गड्ढों की चौड़ाई बनाता है, ठीक है। एंड द वेथ ऑफ द सराउंडिंग सीट, द रिटर्न जर्नी इज मेड द सेम वे, बट हु कैन से नाउ दैट ए स्लॉथ बियर हैज नो सेंस ऑफ अफेक्शन, नो मेमोरी एंड नो इंडिविजुअल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ठीक है ना। वापसी की यात्रा भी इसी प्रकार होती है, लेकिन अब कौन कह सकता है कि स्लोथ भालू में स्नेह की कोई समझ, कोई स्मृति और व्यक्तिगत गुण नहीं होता। ओके, means they have sense of humor and sense of understanding. So students, thank you very much for listening me, and in this way your topic is over, and see you tomorrow with the some important questions related to this topic. Okay, Shreya Jaiswal, in
Yes,
this way, your topic is over, and see you tomorrow with the new topic, or some important questions are here related to this topic. So I would like to discuss all the questions related to the whole chapter, the bond of love. Okay. So,
Okay, sir.
okay, thank you very much for
Thank you, sir.
listening me,
Thank you, sir.
and see you tomorrow with the same topic. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.